Good morning, students. Today we'll study about the root system. The part of the plant which is found under the soil is called as the root. You all know that the stem ends in the root. The stem, they get finished or ends at the root, and leaves, they prepare the food and they transport it to the roots which becomes thickened. Few such roots are also used as food by human beings. We use some of the roots as food. And what are they? Like beetroot, carrot, turnip, they all are used as food by us. We'll see what are the functions of the root. The first function of the root is that it anchors the plant firmly into the ground. That means, what does it mean? Anchors the plant firmly means प्लांट को बहुत ही अच्छे से होल्ड करके रखता है, एंड इट प्रिवेंट्स इट फ्रॉम बीइंग ब्लोन अवे बाय विंड और फ्लोन अवे बाय वाटर. इट होल्ड्स इट सो टाइटली दैट इट इज नॉट फ्लोन अवे बाय वाटर और बाय विंड. Then they also absorb all the nutrients. The plants, they absorb the roots, they absorb all the water and nutrients from the soil so that it can prepare food. Then in some plants like turnip and beetroot, they store the food. Now roots are mainly of two types. One is the taproot and the second one is the fibrous root, as you can see here in the figure, the taproot and the fibrous root. Now in taproots, the stem elongates to form one long main root. Okay, that is like this. It has got one single root. This is the main root which goes deep into the earth, and it contains branches which spread sideways. See, there is one main root here, and sideways there are roots, and these roots which spread sideways, they are called as the lateral roots. And what are the examples of taproots? Like radish, beetroot, mango, teak, carrot, they all have got taproot. The second kind of root are the fibrous root. Now in fibrous root, these roots are thin and they are almost of equal size. Unlike taproot. Taproot में क्या था? One main root which goes deep into the earth and side roots, lateral roots. But here in fibrous root, they all are almost of equal size and they all spread into the ground. All of them spread, बिल्कुल फैल जाते हैं. They are usually bushy in nature. What are the examples? Some of the examples are grass, maize, rice, onion, sugarcane. All these plants have got fibrous root. Clear? You can do one activity, children, that you can take few wheat grains and some kidney beans. What are kidney beans? Rajma. Rajma is known as kidney beans in English. So what you have to do? You have to take few grains of wheat and few kidney beans, and take 2 containers and put cotton wool. Cotton lena hai, okay? And keep the wheat grains in one cotton wool and the other kidney beans in the other one. You have to pour some water in the cotton wool and you have to keep them disturbed for a few days. What will happen, children? You will see that after a few days, the roots have started arising from them. Okay? And if you try to remove the wheat grains or the kidney beans, you will see that it is difficult to remove the grains from the cotton wool. Why? Because the roots have anchored the cotton. Cotton को बहुत firmly पकड़ के रखते हैं. So it will be little difficult for you to remove them from the cotton. So this is one function of the root, about which I have already explained just now. I explained now that they anchor the plant firmly into the ground. So that is why the plants, they remain still on the soil and they are not blown away by wind or by water. The rest we will continue in the next class. Till then, be safe, children, and have a nice day.